Hi, thanks for contacting me. I'm going to show you the steps I wrote out on how to search using more than one database at a time and how to apply limiters. So on the library homepage, we're going to click on Articles and Databases. Now with these listed databases, we're going to go down a little bit and click on Academic Search Complete right here, since that's one of the ones we need. Okay, now up at the top, once we get to EBSCOhost, we're going to go and click on Choose Databases here towards the top middle above the search bars here. And then we're going to check off, okay, Academic Search Complete is already checked off, so that's good for us. Now scrolling down a little bit, we're going to click on check off APA Psych Info, since that's one of the ones we need. And then we're going to click OK. Okay, now going back down, scrolling back down a little bit, under Limit Your Results, we're going to check off Peer Reviewed. And then over off to the right here under Published Date, we're going to apply February of 2018 to February of 2023, since you wanted within the last 5 years. Now going back up, we're ready to search. So you said you wanted COVID, college students, and stress. So now we're going to go ahead and enter it. So COVID, and then a Boolean operator and then college students, and then another Boolean operator, and then stress. And then go ahead and enter. Okay, so you have some results now, and you can apply more limiters off to the left side if you so want to. But if you have any more questions, feel free to ask. I'll be right here and ready to help.